Okay, so now you have learned the parts of an angle, the types of angle, how to make and measure angles with your protractor, which I hope you loved. I think this is such a fun tool. It's a little tricky to figure out at first, but once you know about the difference between obtuse and acute and right, and how to tell which side of the protractor to use, you are an angle making master. So today we are just going to explore all different kinds of angles, and I'm looking around outside. We're going to go on a little hunt around and see what kind of angles we can find. We can make some different types of angles, but I'm just looking around and already I see a right angle. Look at all these right angles. I can look here, an acute angle between those two tree branches. This right here looks like a right angle. And then I was looking up at the different shapes that our sun sails make. Oh, look at this right here. It's an acute angle. Let's see about the other side here. Might be hard to tell. The light, that's definitely an acute angle here. I wonder, let's see if we can find some leaves that are falling on the ground. Look at this. That's amazing. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 acute angles. Look at that. Oh, this is like a right angle right there. That is so fun. Look at that. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 right angles on this leaf and 5 acute angles. Ah, you know what? Right here in the bottom, you could call that a straight angle, or you could make it be a reflex angle, depending on which way you look at it. It's pretty straight to me. So have fun making angles for this too. You could maybe make a whole piece of art with different angles in it. Remember, you need your sides, and you need a really good vertex. There it is. I'll actually move it down a little bit more. You could do this and make different angles within one angle. You can measure some angles that you make. 21, 2, that's 22 degrees. Oh, look at that, 22 degrees. How about that? That was not intentional, but that's really interesting. 10 degrees. You could add them all up. 22 plus 22 is 44. 44 plus 10, 54. So this whole big angle here is 54 degrees. You can make angles of a certain size using your protractor like you learned in the last lesson. Make a 90-degree angle since that has to be so precise. Oops, and we have a leaf blowing happening. So I don't know if you've learned this yet or not, but a lot of times when you show what a right angle is, you put a little square in the corner, where a lot of other angles that you make you do the little arch like we've learned. And I think that we are going to wrap it up since there's leaf blowing going on behind me. But I hope that you have fun doing angles. I cannot wait to see what you do. Go on a nature walk, try to find some angles, walk around your house, try to find some angles, draw a bunch of angles, measure them, have just like an angle celebration. Teach someone about angles. It's an angle party this week. Enjoy.